Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well today. So students, let's recall what we have learned in previous classes. So can you tell me, yes, we have discussed about exponents and power in previous classes. Okay, so can you tell me how can we express 125 as power of 5, as power of 5? Yes, how can we write? How can we express? Yes, correct. The 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So we can write 5 to the power 3. Okay, yes. So let's start today's class and learn something new. Now here you can see the solar system. It's our solar system. Okay, and yes, distance between the earth and the sun, that is, you can see very large number here, 149,600,000,000 meter. So we express this large number in exponential form. Yes, okay. Similarly, you can see here the plant cell, and the plant cell is a very small. Yes, very small. Here you can see the picture of plant cell. So the size of plant cell, you can see here the number 0.00001275 meter. It's a very small number. So we express this small number in exponential form. Okay. Again you can see the picture of bacteria here, size of bacteria, that is 0.000005 meter. So students, it's a very small number. Okay, so this small number we express this small number in exponential form. Okay, now here atom. Okay, and you can see the charge of an electron. Yes, 0.00, you can see the number here. Okay, so very small number here. So charge of an electron, so we express this small number in exponential form. Okay, so we use exponents. Why? For representing small number and large number as well. Okay, yes, now here you can see the sun rays here, the speed of light. So that is 300,000,000 meter per second. So here, yes, definitely we can express this large number in exponential form. Yes, okay. Now, so all students, so all examples here. So we can represent all numbers, all large numbers here, small numbers here. So we can represent as yes, exponential form. Okay. So distance between the sun and earth and the sun, size of the plant cell, size of bacteria, speed of light, charge of an electron. So exponential form of very large, very small numbers. Okay, we use exponential form for very large numbers and very small numbers as well. Okay, yes. So here you can see again the sun energy here, the speed of light, that is 300,000. Students, it's difficult to read, it's difficult to learn. Okay, it's difficult to write this number. So here we can use exponential form. So how can we write in exponential form? So here you can see 3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, first you can see here the number of zeros. So the number of zeros are, you can see 300 and yes 30 and 30, that is 6 zeros here. So we can write 10 to the power 6. Remember always student, 10 to the power 1, that means 1 0. 10 to the power 2, that means 2 0 here. Okay, so 10 cube, that means 3 0. Okay, so here 6 0, that means 10 to the power 6, and yes 2 more zeros, so we can write 10 to the power 8. Okay, 13 into 10 to the power 7, and yes, we can write 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this is the exponential form of this number. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power 8. Remember always, first count the zeros here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write 10 to the power 8. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 is the exponential form here. Okay. Why 3 in 30 into 10 to the power 7, or we can write yes 300 into 10 to the power 6 as well. But here remember always, yes, so here you can see all are 3 into 10 to the power 8 here. Okay. So 3 into 10 to the power 8, 3 into 10 to the power 8, and 3 into 10 to the power 8. So this form of representation of the numbers is called scientific notation or standard form. So remember students, what is scientific notation or standard form? Yes, when we representation of the numbers is called scientific notation or standard form. So this is the scientific notation of this number. Okay. So here 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now here in general, if a number is expressed in a into 10 to the power n form, where a belongs between 0 and 10, okay, the value of a should be, yes, should be greater than 0 and yes, less than 10. Okay, remember always the value of a, that is between 0 to 10. Okay, and such a representation of the number is called scientific notation or standard form. Yes, you can see here the value of a, that is 3 here. So remember always the value of a is between 0 to 10. Okay, yes, and that is the scientific notation, or we can say standard form. Okay, now students, here we have a question, I have a question for you. Okay, so express 0.00001275 in the standard form. Yes, and I am giving you 30 seconds. So here which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? Yes. Yes, okay students, so time's up. The right answer is option A here, 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, so this type question we will discuss in the next PPT. Okay, so let's move the next part. The answer will be option A here. Okay, yes, very good. Now, okay, scientific notation. So let's discuss about scientific notation. Okay, you can see what is this? Yes, the sun here. Okay, so you can see the picture of sun here. Okay, so the mass of the sun, when we talk about the mass of the sun, so you can see the number here, the very large number. We can yes, it's difficult to learn, it's difficult to read, it's difficult to write as well. Okay, so here we can approximate this as 1988 into 10 to the power, yes, 10 to the power, can you tell me the power here? What is the power of 10 here? Yes, now count the zeros. Okay, so 3, yes, you can see the number of zeros are here, that is 27. So 1988 into 10 to the power 27 kg, that is the mass of the sun. Now again here we can write yes, 1988 divided by 1000 into 10 to the power 27 into 1000. Okay, so yes, 10 to the power 27 and 10 to the power 3, 1000 means 1000, that means 10 to the power 3. okay, and when we multiply 10 to the power 27 and 10 to the power 3, so the power will be added here, okay. So 27 plus 3, that is 30. So 10 to the power 30, and yes, 1988 divided by 1000, that means we can write 1.988 into 10 to the power 30 kg. So that is the exponential form, or we can say scientific notation. So here the scientific notation is 1.988 into 10 to the power 30 kg. That is the mass of the sun. Now it's pretty simple to learn this number. Yes, okay. So we can write, we can learn 1.988 into 10 to the power 30 kg. It's simple, it's pretty simple, okay. Yes. Now the student scientific notation. So let's see one more example of this kind of things. So scientific notation, here you can see the earth, our earth, okay. So mass of the earth, now you can see the mass of the earth, so very large number here, okay. So first convert this number into scientific notation. So how can we convert? Yes, count the zeros here. So here 3, 6, 9, okay, then 12, 15, 18, and yes 21. So 5976 into 10 to the power 21 kg. Now 5976 divided by 1000, and then yes multiply by 1000 again. So here 10 to the power 21 and into 10 to the power 3. So 21 plus 3, yes, remember always the property student, a to the power, yes, a to the power m into a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus n, okay, power will be add here. So a to the power m into a to the power n, yes, a to the power m plus n here. So we use this property here, 10 to the power 21 into 10 to the power 3, yes, 10 to the power 24 here, and 5.976 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So you can see the mass of the earth, that is 5.976 into 10 to the power 24 kg, okay. So this is the scientific notation, okay, exponential form of the yes mass of the earth, yes, okay. Now here you can see we have a basic trick here, okay. Count the zeros, you can see the decimal point move from right to left, okay, yes. So here 5.976 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So now average thickness of a paper is 0.0039 inch. So express this number in the scientific notation, okay. So let's do it, 0.0039. So we can write in fraction form, 39 by yes 10,000. Now 10,000, so 10,000 means, yes, you can see the number of zeros are 4, that means 10 to the power 4, 4 zeros, that means 10 to the power 4, 5 zeros, that means 10 to the power 5, 6 zeros, that means 10 to the power 6. This is the basic trick, okay. So 39 upon 10 to the power 4, or we can write, yes, 39 into 10 to the power minus 4, okay. Or here students, 39 into 10 to the power minus 4. So you can see the number here 39, okay. And yes, when we discuss about scientific notation, the general form of scientific notation, that is a into yes 10 to the power n, where a between 0 to 10, yes. So here 39 is the, yes, 39, that means that is the greatest number here, 39. So between 0 to 10, a belongs to 0 to 10, okay. So that's why we divide by 10 here and then multiply by 10. So 39 by 10, yes, 3.9, and here minus 4 into 10 to the power 1. So minus 4 plus 1, so we will get minus 3 here. So 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is the scientific notation. That is the form of scientific notation or exponential form. So 0.0039 inch, we can write 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 inch. Okay, and yes, you can see the number moves, the decimal moves from, yes, right to left. How many places here? So 3 places. So we write 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So what is the thickness of my hair strand? Yes. So let's see. Average thickness of hair strand is 0.00067 inch. Student, can you express this number into scientific notation? Yes. Okay, do it. Yes. So here what will we do here? So 67 upon, yes, we can write in the fraction form, then yes, 10 to the power 5, then 67 into 10 to the power minus 5, and you can see the numbers here 67. So we can write 67 by 10, then multiply by 10. So here 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so that is the scientific notation. Now here you can see the decimal moves from right to left, and how many places? So here, yes, 4 places. Okay, so that is the 10 to the power minus 4. Number of places is equal to the number of the power here. Okay, so remember always negative sign, that means, yes, remember sign, or positive sign. Okay, so negative sign, that means decimal moves from right to left, and a positive sign, that means decimal moves, yes, left to right. Okay, okay, left to right and right to left, that is the basic technique. So large numbers will have a positive exponent, that means we can say macro numbers. Okay, and yes, small numbers will have a negative exponent, that is a micro numbers. Okay, so there are two types of number here: macro numbers, that means positive exponent, and micro numbers, that means negative exponent. Okay, now here students, the assignments for you. Okay, the size of a plant cell is, you can see the number here, and the size of bacteria, charge of an electron. Okay, so all of these numbers you can, it's a homework for you, you can write in, yes, scientific notation or exponential form. Can you do this? Yes. Okay, so express the following numbers in scientific notation or standard form. Okay, yes. Okay, let's do it one by now here. Yes, I have a question for you students. Write 5.05 into 10 to the power 6 in usual form. Okay, and yes, I am giving you 30 seconds. Usual form, that means a normal form. Okay, you can see here the scientific form, scientific notation here. So you can convert this number into usual form. Yes. Which option is correct here? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Yes. Yes, okay students, time's up. So the right answer is yes. You can see the number of power of 10, that is 6. Okay, that means 10 to the power 6, that means decimal moves from left to right, and how many places? Yes, 6 places. So here 5, 0, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here you can see the decimal place are decimal are here. So 6 place moves from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. So the right answer is option. Yes, you can see how many zeros are here. 4 zeros. Okay, so 505 and 4 times zeros. Yes, so the answer is option C here. Okay, yes, very good. Now let's move the next part. Yes, so the mass of the sun, so we can approximate this as 1988 into 10 to the power 27 kg, or we can write yes 1.988 into 10 to the power 30 kg. Okay, so that is the scientific notation, that is the exponential form. So given the standard form, how to express it in usual form, original form? Yes, how can you how can you express this in usual form? Can you do this? Yes, okay, let's try, let's do it. Conversion form from standard form to usual form. Now here you can see we have a number that is in scientific notation or exponential form. So how can we convert in usual form? So let's do it. First, what we'll do here? So here we can write 1.988. So we can write in the fraction form 1988 upon 1000. Okay, you can see the decimal number after decimal here 3 digits. So we can write 1988 divided by 1000 30 and 10 to the power 30. Again, yes, here 1988 and 1000, that means 10 to the power 3. Okay, so 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 30. Now students, remember the property, a to the power m divide by a to the power m, a to the power m divide by a to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m minus n. Yes, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, and yes, when m is greater than to n, that is the condition. So here you can see 10 to the power 30 and divide by 10 to the power 3. So we can write 10 to the power 30 minus 3, 10 to the power 30 minus 3. So that is 10 to the power 27. Now 10 to the power 27 means yes 27 0. Okay, so we can write like this. Okay, so that is the usual form 198 and 27 zeros. Okay, express the following numbers in usual form. Now students, can you do this? Yes, let's do it. So how can we convert in usual form? So here 7.02, 7.02. So that is the in yes decimal form. So how can we write in fraction form? Yes, 702 divided by 100, 702 by 100 into 10 to the power 5. Now 100 means what? Yes, 10 square. So we can write 10 square here and 10 to the power 5. Now remember the property, a to the power m divided by a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, so here yes 702 into 10 to the power 5 minus 2, that will be equal to 3. So 10 to the power 3, and now yes write the 3 zeros. Okay, so this is the basic technique for converting numbers. Okay, now express the following numbers in usual form. Now here we have a numbers 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus 6. Okay students, let's try. 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what will we do here? So first we convert decimal number into fraction form. So 2.1 we can write yes 21 upon 10, and here 10 to the power minus 6. So you can see the exponents are negative here, 10 to the power minus 6. So how can we convert into in positive form? Yes, reciprocal, write the reciprocal here. So 10 to the power minus 6, so we can write yes 1 upon 10 to the power 6. Okay, so here 21 upon 10 into 10 to the power 6. Now a to the power m plus into a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus n. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. So 21 upon 10 to the power 7 will be equal to 21 into 10 to the power minus 7, or we can write, you can see here 0.0000021. Okay. Now we have one more example here. Average thickness of paper, that is 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 inches. Okay, so students, let's do it. Try to convert this number into usual form. Okay. Yes. So tell me, what will we do here? Yes, first we convert decimal number into fraction form. So 3.9, that will be equal to 39 by 10, and here into 10 to the power minus 3. Now 10 to the power minus 3, you can see, and here 10, so we can write 10 to the power minus 1, and yes, here base are same, 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we can add power here. So minus 1 minus 3, that will be equal to minus 4. So 39 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now here, students, you can see 10 to the power minus 4, that means, yes, 4 digit before. Okay, we can denote point 4 digit before. Yes, so 0.0039 will be right answer here. Okay. Yes. Okay, now students, it's question time. I have a question for you. 1 micron is equal to 1 upon, yes, decimeter. So express it in the exponential form. Okay, and yes, I am giving you 45 seconds for this particular question. So yes, which option is correct here? Option A, 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 5. Option B, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 5. Option C, 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Option D, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Yes, 1 micron is equal to 1 upon, you can see the number here. Okay, expressed in exponential form. Okay, students, so time's up. The right answer is yes. Now here, students, you can see the number of, first you count the number of zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that means 10 to the power 6. Okay, 10 to the power 6, 60, that means 10 to the power 6. Now here we can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So the right answer is option D here. You can see 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 6. So option D will be right answer here. Okay. Now let's move the next part. So application of standard form of a number in comparing very large and very small numbers. Okay. So here you can see again the picture of solar system. Yes. So the diameter of the sun, that is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter, and the diameter of the earth, that is 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So now here, how many times is the size of the diameter of the sun when compared to the diameter of the earth? Okay. So here, ratio of sun's diameter to earth's diameter. Okay, so here we find ratio of sun's diameter to the earth's diameter. Okay, so here you can see the diameter of the sun, that is 1.4 into 10 to the power 9, and yes, diameter of the earth, that is 1.2756 into 10 to the power 7. Now how can we find the ratio form? Yes, so here solve the fraction. Okay, so ratio 1, you can see ratio that is approximately equal to 1, and here 10 to the power 9 and 10 to the power 7, as you can see the difference between 10 to the power 9 and 10 to the power 7. So 9 minus 7, that is 10 square, and 10 square, yes, definitely that will be equal to 100. So here 1 into 100, that means 100 times. So ratio is approximately equal to 100 times. Okay, ratio is equal to approximately 100 times. That means yes, the ratio of Sun's diameter to Earth's diameter approximately equal to 100. So that means the diameter of the Sun is about 100 times the diameter of the Earth. Okay. Now here few more problems for practice on conversion of usual form to standard form a number. Okay. So write the statement in standard form. So 1 micron is equal to, you can see the number of zeros here. We have already discussed this question in the MCQ part. Okay. So now here you can see number of zeros. So yes, 6 zeros. So 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. Yes. Okay, now students, it's question time, and I have a question for you. Add 6.03 into 10 to the power 7 plus 6.03 into 10 to the power 8. Yes, so how can we add? Yes, I'm giving you, yes, 45 seconds. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Yes, first add the numbers here. Okay, 6.03, both numbers are in scientific notation form or exponential form. Okay, so how can we add the exponential form numbers or scientific notation numbers? Yes. Okay, students, so time's up. The right answer is yes, option C. Okay, so what will we do here? Now students, you can see 10 to the power 7 and 10 to the power 8. So first we convert, yes, the 10 to the power, that will be same. Okay, so how can we yes, how can we compare, how can we convert this? So here you can see 10 to the power 7 and 10 to the power 8. So we can, here in this form we can write 0.3 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, and then common the 10 to the power 8 and then add this number. Okay, so it will be equal to 6.633 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, yes, so the right answer is option C here. Okay, express the following numbers in exponential form. So yes, here we have a number 15684900000. Yes, so student, can you do this? Yes, can you tell me the power of 10 here? Yes, correct. That is the, you can see here the decimal moves from right to left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 1 and 10. So you can see decimal moves from right to left, and yes, now 1.5, so that means 10. Okay, so now here, yes, here decimal moves from left to right. Okay, left to right. So 3.42. So 3.42 means yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so power will be, you can see, 10 to the power minus 4. So 3.42 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. So remember always when decimal moves from left to right, so the power will be negative, exponents will be negative here, and when decimal moves right to left, so that means the power will be positive. Okay. So here 0.00004215. So can you tell me here the power of 10? Yes, decimal moves from left to right. Okay. So how many places? So you can see 5 places. So minus 5 here. The answer will be minus 5 here. Okay. Now express the number yes, appearing in the following statements in standard form. So the distance between the earth and moon is, you can see, 384,3030 meter. So yes, students, write in the scientific notation, or yes, exponential form. So 3 now here you can see the decimal from left to right. Okay. So yes, right to left. Okay, right to left. So here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7 and 8. So 3.84 into 10 to the power, yes, right to left, so that means positive power. So 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay. So remember always when decimal moves right to left, that means the power will be positive here. So 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is, you can see the number here, very large number. So yes, how can we convert into exponential form? So number of zeros, yes, count the number of zeros here, and yes, or we can move decimal from right to left. So here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, yes, 18, yes, and 22. So 3 into 10 to the power 20 here. 2, 3, 5, 3, 8, yes, 11, 14, 17 and 20. So 3 into 10 to the power 20 meter. Okay. So that is the exponential form. Okay. Now thickness of pencil lead, that is 0.007 meter, students. So yes, so here you can see decimal moves from left to right. Okay. And how many places? So here 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. So 10 to the power 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. So remember always when decimal moves from left to right, the power will be negative, and from right to left, yes, the power will be positive. Okay. So here you can see the decimal moves left to right, that means yes, and how many places? 2 places. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 will be right answer here. 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. Yes. Okay, students, now yes, we have a question here. Now subtract 6.47 into 10 to the power 8 and 3.15 into 10 to the power 6. I am giving you, yes, 45 seconds. So which option is correct here? Subtract 6.47 into 10 to the power 8 and 3.15 into 10 to the power 6. Yes. Okay. So students, times of right answer will be 6, option B, 6.4385 into 10 to the power 8. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now students, so it's a feedback question. How do you feel? Okay, and I am giving you 25 seconds. Happy, quite good, satisfactory, or confused. So students, today we have discussed about the exponential form, okay, and scientific notation or standard form. We have learned about some properties of exponential form, some properties of scientific notation, okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's class, okay. So it's time to over the class. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Keep practicing. Okay, bye bye. Take care. See you in the next class.